Hello students. Today we are going to learn science subject topic fifth substances in surroundings, their states and properties. In this lesson, in first part, we learn our initial lesson. Now we are going to learn the next part, second part in this lesson. So first tell me what you see in picture is the boy is hanging the cloth on clothesline. Why we hang clothes on clothesline? Because of we want to dry our clothes. What is the reason behind it? Why clothes dry? Because of the water which is present in clothes become vapor, right? So now see this short video.
Molecules begin moving faster, and some of them spread out and form a gas. We call that gas water vapor, and that's what's inside the bubbles you see.
Okay students, now tell me what you saw in picture is boiling of water, which we also call ebullition. Okay, so what happens when water boils? The bubble rises from bottom to the top surface of the water. What is the reason behind it? Because it is boiling. Now this evaporates at faster and faster rate. When water boils, the evaporation rate is as fast is at a faster and faster rate. If we write in hot sun is slower than this rate. If there is normal temperature, no sunny, then the speed of evaporation is lower than this. Okay, so now let us see this.
Thermometer about 3 to 5 centimeters from the surface of the water. And insert one end of the delivery tube through the second bore of the cork and insert the other end of the delivery tube into a beaker. Take a Bunsen burner and heat the boiling tube gently by rotating the flame. Note the temperature T1 when the boiling of water starts. On boiling, water is converted into steam, which passes through the delivery tube, is condensed, and gets collected in the beaker. Continue to heat the water till the temperature becomes constant and the water continues to boil. Note the constant temperature, T2. The average of the two temperatures gives the boiling point of water. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so I hope you enjoy this experiment. Now tell me what is boiling point of water. If you saw carefully the video, you can get answer as the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. When water vapor cools, it is converted into water again. This process is called what? Condensation. Okay, this process is called condensation. So if we see the process while gaining heat, if you any liquid or solid gaining heat, then what process occur if a solid substance gaining heat, then it begins to melting. If liquid substance gaining heat, it convert it boiling and convert into gas and vapor. Okay. If we while losing heat, then what happen? If gas and vapor losing heat, the what procedure going on? Condensation procedure going on, and gas vapor convert into liquid. And if liquid while losing heat, that time it converted into solid, and which uh, procedure going on? Freezing. Okay, so you have to now see the melting point and freezing point are equal in measure, that is 0 degree Celsius, and boiling point and condensation point are also equal, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now tell me what you see. Yes, it is ice cream. Do you like ice cream? How we make ice cream? Yes, we make with cooling it. What you see here? Yes, it is ice, pieces of ice, and how we make it? We make it with keep water in where freeze. Okay, so this process we call freezing. What is freezing point of water? Can you tell me? Yes, the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. The temperature at which this happens is called the freezing point of water, which is 0 degree Celsius. When ice gets hit, it started melting, and you know that the heat we if we give heat to ice, it becomes started to melting. And what is the melting point of ice? It is also 0 degree Celsius. So that is our end